Well, look at that. There it is, folks. There it is. $450, folks. $450. Are you convinced yet? It works if you work it.
Yes, folks, it does work if you work it. Hey, I'm Paulie B, coming from the Big Apple once again, New York City. Actually, we're right outside Manhattan in New Jersey, Barletta Marketing, and we share with you what's trending, what's making money from home-based business. We have opportunities, folks, that you could start making money rather quickly. So we're going to be talking about the Fast Mail Order System Update Review 2023. And again, the Fast Mail Order System Update Review 2023. Folks, you already know. What's ever trending comes to the Big Apple, New York City, Manhattan, the money capital of the world. Why is that? Because we got the money. So, folks, once you hear how easy this is, you'll join in with me and hit this button.
That was easy.
Folks, that's how easy it is. And that's the button we use in New York City where it's hard or easy, because here's the money. Now, folks, the admin's name is Rod, and he put this program, the Fast Mail Order System, together, and it's like nobody's business. It's $250 to get in. When you get those payments coming to your mailbox, and folks, you saw the video, I've already tried these programs. These programs work. There's people, folks, in 2023 that are bringing in thousands a month, bringing in 3, 4, 5, 6. I know a guy who brought in 16 payments. Do the math. I'm telling you like it is. In all honesty, $50 goes to the admin, Rod, who that is right there, young man who put this. This has been in existence for the last 6, 7 years. A lot of people have missed it. And folks, I'm going to join in with Rod. Tired of getting burned by so-called MLM or money-making programs? Stop right there. All the scams online. Folks, I always say 2023. Scam City. 2023, Scam City. It might sound good. You have reverends, pastors saying they're reverends and pastors taking our money. Folks, you got to watch out. I'm telling you, you got to watch out. The Bible says, be as wise as a serpent, harmless as a dove. You got to watch out, folks. But this is genuine. We have already tested this program. And you can bring in multitudes. I know the next question, how fast, Paul? Well, here's the numbers. If you come down here, sorry about that. If you come down here, let's blow it up a little bit so you can see. All right. This is all I do. Earn 500, 750, even 1,000 a day mailing out the same exact flyer. If you look at this, we call it New York City a sales letter. This is a highly converting sales letter, folks. It actually has psychological triggers. And for every 100 that you mail out, you're going to see a conversion rate of 2, 3 sales per 100. Now, for those of you who are in the direct mail marketing industry, multi-billion-dollar industry, you're going to see that there's lists out there. And we've been looking at these lists. A popular one is Wilson's List, and so on and so forth. And we're not here to bash any lists, but that's a hard run. We've looked into starting a company like that as well. It's a hard run. You really have to have fresh. You know, some of them say, I think it's a Wolf Enterprise, that you can get these leads fresh under 45 days. Folks, we have better leads. They're called full data leads. And these leads don't just come with name and address. They come with name, address, phone number, and email. And they're hot out of the oven. There's people who are begging us to get into a home-based business. Why? Look at the economy, folks. Thanks to our president-elect, who's right down the street in Philadelphia from Manhattan, thanks to Joseph Biden, look at the gas prices. And the economists are saying, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Paulie B never wants to give bad news, folks, but I'm giving it to you raw because we're here to help the poor and struggling. That's the goal of this channel. We're to help the poor and the struggling. We're not here to get the rich richer, but to help the poor. Gabish? So listen closely. The food prices, global economists, the best in the world, even in New York City, saying it's going to get a little bit more worse before it gets any better. So you're going to expect gas to go up, food prices. People are living paycheck to paycheck. Americans are skipping meals. Folks, America's upside down. But here's the good news. Monkeys could do this business, folks. Monkeys could do this business. And out of all the flyers, look on our channel below and look at all the low ticket, high ticket flyers. People call me all the time. I had a woman from Vermont call me last night. Hey, big shout out to you, Leona. And she wanted to join the program. She was looking at this one and she says, is this the most converting one? I'm like, honey, you did your homework. Absolutely. This is our best converting program. And folks, for $250 to start a home-based business from the comfort of your home, I don't think you're going to find a way to make money within your first week, 2 weeks with a business like this, folks. It is absolutely remarkable. Listen to what it has to say. This has been tested extensively and on a 500 mailing only. Mailing out 500 of these flyers. I'll show you the back of it in a minute. On the first 2 days, 3 orders were received and 2 orders came in on the next day. A total of 5 orders. 250 times 5 is what, folks? $1,250, folks. I know a young man who's making almost $10,000 mailing out flyers. People always ask me, what's the magic number? Folks, I've mailed out flyers that have to go in envelopes. We have a postcard with this too. You don't have to stuff envelopes. And if you put out 300, 2 to 3 sales on an average, you can put those together, 300 in an hour and a half tops. Blindfolded, you'd probably take you 2 hours. But if you can mail out, here's the magic number, 1,000 a week, folks, you're going to call me up and thank me for this video. My phone number, if you have any questions, is 862-658-2086. Again, that number is 862-658-2086. We have another number right outside Manhattan, is 862-343-5944. If the line is busy, just leave a message and we'll get back to you within minutes. So, folks, we're also launched a 24-hour. I'm so excited about it. I'm the owner of Barletta Marketing, and we're one of the first nationwide 24-hour opportunity business hotlines, and we cater to every shift, whether you're working a graveyard shift, 12 to 7, 7 to 3, 8 to 4, 9 to 5. If you're working at night between 3 and 11, and you don't get home till 11, I got a call. We launched this last night, and I just wanted to test it out. We have this phone system. 1:30 in the morning was the first call. So, folks, you can call at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. We have customer support that is out of this world, standing by. We want to help you, folks. We want to get you going in your home-based business. We're here to help the poor and the struggling. and let me show you the back of this magnificent sales letter. Boy, there was a genius mind. He tells a story about him going to work, and he met a rich man. And folks, isn't that something? It's who you know. Folks, all I could say is get in today. You can give me a call. If you want to Cash App us, you can Cash App us. We will have your starter kit out within 3 days, no, under a week. Let me tell you that. You'll have your starter kit. It's going to come with 200 leads, peel-off stickers, and 200 stamps. Let me make sure. Or is it 300? No, folks, it's 300. Yep. 300 stamps, 300 peel-off labels. And if you join within a week, I want to help you folks. We want to help you here at Barletta Marketing. I'm going to give you an extra 200 stamps and an extra 200 full data leads. So folks, if you missed this one, you've missed it. And I hope you don't call me back later on when your neighbor did it and I have to tell you I told you so. Join today, folks, because I'm telling you right now, after you do it, you're going to go like this.
That was easy.
It's just that easy. Monkeys can do this business. Join today. Paulie B checking out from Manhattan, New York City. And as always, God bless you and your family, and may he make you richly, richly blessed. Shalom.